let's talk. Okay, so I did get my package in the mail. Qure. I ordered it off of Amazon. It was, I think, 160 plus. I will have to add that in the description down there. But today we are about to try and do a home microneedling at home. So what I have done is washed my face and my hands and everything really good. Everything is nice and dry. I can feel it. This is my face before. And you see the discoloration down in here and over in here. You see all that. So now my neck right there, I break out in these hives right there when things just be getting on my nerves. I got a lot of little things going on in the family and just letting it get to me. But I'm feeling better. I can feel a difference. So I feel it's time that I can do the microneedling because I'm not stressing. I don't have nothing going on that's going to make me break out or anything. But this area I will skip. I'll try. I might get close to it because I am going to do my neck out. So the kit came in this box. It's the name up here. You tear the little strip. I think I shared that yesterday. And you open it. Now I must say, you see that blue stuff? That's the serum. So one of them is either broke or open or something like that. So that'll be one that I won't get to use. Now when I was reading the pamphlet, it states that I guess you're supposed to do a vial every 2 weeks or something like that. 2 to 3 weeks. I don't know if I'm gonna do that because of the skin being so sensitive. But there is like 20 gold tip very fine needles. I think it's 0.5. So guys, we're just gonna do this. So we have the needles. We're gonna wait and open that. We're gonna use one of these serums down here that I know looks very good. It's one of those at the top that's open. So we have this. Yeah, it's all wet down in there. Could have been this. Let me stop. I think it's just a leakage from whichever one. But as much as this costs, it shouldn't be leaking. It shouldn't be leaking. And it's not damaged or broken, any of them. So what they say do is to open this, as you can see. Placing it down. Yeah. My nails. And you open this as if your physician would open something to treat you. Take it. We're gonna screw it on. I didn't touch the vial part of it at all. So they say screw it on. Turn it upside down and let it sit for about a minute so that it can get the fluid down in there. The serum, they use the proper wording. I have prayed. I have I've done all those things. But I prayed. I put it up to the highest of the high, that I don't go and mess up my skin, because to be 61, I'm happy. I'm content. But guys, I just want to help with the fine lines. As I told you guys, I have been using that mask. And that mask, I'm just re-washing my hands, guys. Because I done touched a couple of things. And I want my hands to be clean. But, what's the name of it? Yeah. Expert facial mask on Amazon. Very nice. I really like it. Okay, so it says start at the center part of your face. I'm not touching nothing else but this. Okay, guys, here it goes. Here goes nothing. Let's see how. So I gotta take this off. That's tight, but how do I get the freaking top off? Oh, that's the part I didn't read up on. So you got this on there. There we go. You gotta wiggle it off. And now all of my serum has went back. I may look at y'all, I may look at the mirror. I'm not real good at videoing, so bear with me. We're gonna see how this pain goes, and we're gonna start. I have to look in the mirror. So you can feel the picks. I'm gonna go back. You see the redness already? This top part though, I don't feel that the serum was going in there. Okay, okay. You're supposed to do like a light pick. And you want to overlap when you're coming back. I'm staying in all weekend. Another reason why I chose today. Get. That's my dog, guys. Between the dog and the cats. I'm trying to do this whole video because, like I said, I'm not good at videoing. Okay, so that's one cheek. The good thing is you can kind of judge the pain tolerance versus if someone else was doing it. this is where I had that discoloration. Difficult moment. I don't know if you're supposed to do on your nose. I'm going to skip that part. I am going to do between my eyes. And I just did a second pass. I'm tilting my head, guys, so that the ointment can come down. I'm very sorry if you cannot see this, but it's just setting it on there and poking, overlapping as you go. On this side, God bless me trying to do these beauty treatments. And I must say, I did not do a section to see if I would be allergic or not. And now we're gonna do the neck. I don't know about the neck, cause there we go. It's not real painful. You can feel the pricks. You see, I'm not using like crazy amount of pressure. And I have some lines that's coming in my chest. So I want to do those. And now that I've done that, I don't want to retouch the surface. So those, I don't think you can see the needles, but they're gold tipped. I'm not gonna go over it anymore because I am looking pretty red. I'm gonna cleanse my hands again and then add that onto my face. Cleansing my hands again because I don't know if when I was touching the vial, if it was clean or not. And guys, I'm gonna touch my face. Drying the hands. And as you all know, you use this needle once and you get rid of it. Don't reuse it because it's got bacteria on it. Hands clean. We're not gonna touch with nails. I'm not dragging on the skin. I'm just patting. Well, hope nobody ain't got plans for me this weekend, cause I'm looking like a tomato. And let's put the rest on this chest. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'm done. Okay, so I ain't just washed my hands that time. I just rinsed them off. Ooh. So I feel a little sensitiveness may have started out a little too bold over here. I want to get this off our lips. Trying my best not to touch my face. Now the next time I do it, I see where I might do a little more on the lip and the chin, because they look like they did good, but these cheeks. Okay guys, we're gonna discard of this. I'm just putting it back together, putting this top back on it. And my husband, he has a place where he can discard needles. So I'm gonna have it go there versus putting it in the trash. Okay, so I'm just holding y'all up like y'all want to stand here and look at me beat red, but what I will do the rest of the day is I'm not going to touch my face. I have some collagen stuff that I may use. I'm not going to wash this face for 24 hours. So this time tomorrow when I wash my face, we'll come in and we'll do a video. The place I used to go to get my facial, she gave me this when I had like a, I forget what it's called, but they put the acid on there and trying to take off that top layer of skin. So it's a nice little mist, and you can use it throughout the day if your face is feeling itchy or something, because what you don't need to do is touch your face. So I'm gonna use that. I didn't go down my nose, so we'll see how that goes. And guys, I could really see those wrinkles coming in my chest. It's just when you get a little more chest, I think, and when you lay down and that everything goes to the side and it folds, and I think that's what makes the wrinkles. But I'm done, and I'll see y'all in the morning. I should have did my nose. All right, talk is over.